Did you know you can run polls on WhatsApp? I'm EasyWay, and in this video I'll show you how easily create and run a poll in WhatsApp chat. Let's get started. To run a poll on WhatsApp, first open the app and navigate to an existing conversation you'd like to use. Next, tap the plus sign in the bottom left corner of the chat screen from the menu that appears and select poll or encuesta in Spanish. Okay, so you have to write your question on here like how are you? And then in options you have to add the options like fine, bad, bad AF, and then you have to press allow multiple answers. You can disable it or not, and then you can press the button to send, and here it is, a poll. In this case I can choose all the options, but if you choose the other option, impulse, like this, you will be only able to choose one. That's all it takes to create a poll on WhatsApp. For more helpful WhatsApp tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of WhatsApp tutorials linked in the description box below. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week. Goodbye.